Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I will to show you how to solve the algebra equation from the easy level to the difficult level. Okay, so now let's start with the easy level first. For easy level, we get the equation x plus 3 equal to 7. The first step, we need to remove 3 from the first side. How to remove it? If you want to remove 3 from the first side, you need to add negative 3 in both sides. Okay, so now we add negative 3 in both sides. Okay, so 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So now we get x equal to 4. Okay, now the value of x is 4. You understand? So now let's start to the medium level. The medium level, the equation is 2x plus 4 equal to x plus 6. For the first step, I suggest you to remove x from the second side. How to remove it? Yes, you add the negative x in both sides. Okay, so now I add the negative x in both sides. Yes, x plus 6 and negative x minus 8. So now we can calculate 2x and minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 4 equal to x minus x is equal to 0. So in the second side, we get 6. Yes. So now the equation, it look like the easy level. So we need to remove 4 from the first side. Yes. How to remove it? If you want to remove it, you can do like the easy level by add negative 4 in the first side and also add negative 4 in the second side as well. Yeah. So now I get 8 plus 4 minus 4 equal to 6 minus 4. So let me explain you more. And for example, if I have x minus 3 equal 6. So you need to add negative 3 in both sides. No, it's not like that. If this equation is negative 3, you need to add the positive 3 in both sides. Okay? Yes. This is the problem that you need to know. And now 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So now I get 8 equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. So the value of 8 is 2. So now let's start to the difficult one. The difficult one is the equation 3 8 plus 2. Sorry, let me check it. Okay. Yes. Minus 2 plus y equal 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8. So for the first step, you need to multiply 3 into this. Okay. So 3 multiply by x is equal 3x, and 3 times -2 is equal to negative 6. Okay, plus y equal to 2x plus 8. Okay, so now we can calculate this first. So -6 plus y is equal to negative 1. Yeah, equal to x plus 8. Yes. So in this case, you see, it look like the medium level. Yes. So you try to do the same solution or the same style as the medium level by remove x from the secant side. So now you can add negative 2x in both sides. Yeah, we add this. Why? Because we want to remove 2x from the secant side. So now 3x minus 2x is equal to x. Yes. And minus 1 equal 2x minus 2x is 0. So the secant side we get 8. Now let's remove minus 1 from the first side. Yes. So now we need to add 1 in both sides. Right? Like I explained you this. Yes, this. So negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get x equal to 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So see you in the next video. If you don't understand or you want me to solve any exercise, you can comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.